Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ERR SSL Protocol Error in Windows 11. Whether you're seeing this error while opening a website in your browser, or pages suddenly refuse to load securely, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and help you fix it fast. First, open the Windows search bar, type Internet Options, and click on it. Once the Internet Options window opens, go to the Content tab. Here, look for the option labeled Clear SSL State and click on it. You should see a confirmation message saying the SSL cache was cleared successfully, so click OK and move on. Next, switch to the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find the SSL and TLS options. Make sure all SSL and TLS checkboxes are enabled. Then click OK to save the changes. These settings allow secure connections to work properly, so don't skip this step. To make the process smoother, ensure your internet connection is stable, your system date and time are correct, and your browser is fully updated. These small checks can prevent SSL errors from returning. Once you've done that, try reopening the website again. After that, the ERR SSL protocol should be resolved. If the issue still appears, open Troubleshoot Settings, go to Other Troubleshooters, and run the Internet Troubleshooter to automatically fix network issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the ERR SSL Protocol Error in Windows 11 without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If this helped you, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?